Hey guys, it's Rob Shemp. I'm here with my glorious box of tapes and popcorn bag. You have that thing where your mom goes out and buys you ask her to buy you popcorn. She goes out and buys you Fit and Active butter microwave popcorn, and it doesn't have that much butter in it. So we're going to teach you how to hack the system. Crap. Here, let me. Dang it. Probably should have filmed this the other way. Alright, I'm just gonna hope that you can see right here. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut a good size slit in the top. Just enough so that you can slide in it. Because if it's too big, the steam will seep out. And that happened to me last time I did this, and it didn't work correctly. The steam seeped out, now the kernels popped, and there, that's a good size one. Now you're just going to get some... Right now, you're just going to get some margarine or whatever butter you want. I hate how people call it a specific butter. And if you're wondering who's talking in the background, that's Jeff. Jeffrey. And I'm probably going to be doing a lot of videos like this. And it's just a teaspoon. That's probably the best for it. I'm probably thinking that's a lot, but once it melts, dang it. I hate how this thing films. Just give me a second here. Dang it. This really stinks. Dang it. Alright, here's one thing you don't want to do. Don't push the butter over. And alright, you just want to hit it. Alright. Now we're going to look at my glorious boxes of tapes. We have purple, camo. We're going to go with this one. Alright, then what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to take that, get yourself a pretty good size thing of duct tape. Sorry for the bad camera angles. I'm working on hooking up my laptop to it. So, and then you just want to... I need to make a freaking duct tape pack. There we go. Alright, sorry for all this. You're going to want to, that's a lot of duct tape, but I kind of got butter all over the bag, so I want it to be really sticky. If you don't get butter all over the bag, then, oh yeah, like my sweet thing, freaking awesome. You stick it in the microwave, put your thing on, dang it, where is it? Sometimes it's so difficult. Oh, right there. Popcorn. Go about 2 minutes. And I'll be back then. Alright, we got about 3 minutes left, or 3 seconds I should say. And as you can see, this is completely normal that your duct tape has completely melted. As you can see, that actually looks really cool, and it's that's what makes it so good. And just want to shake it up, open it up carefully, and shut the microwave. Here, sit on my Keurig. Oh, god dang it! You know what? Oh, come on! Now that we have this, oh, dang it, we have our popcorn. Put it into a bowl and eat it. Hopefully it doesn't taste like duct tape. If it does, I will be very disappointed. Well, here's our popcorn. Good.